What if I tell you grumpy dogs earn $16,000 per month average by using AI for their videos effectively? But why should they have all the fun? Don't wait any longer. The future is here and it's all about AI. It's time for to take advantage of this opportunity and start earning passive income from my videos. Let's get started. My name is Mohammad Abdullah Khan and I'm here to help you to create amazing videos by using AI technologies and earn passive income on YouTube. Today I'm going to show you how to use cutting-edge AI technologies, ChatGPT, Murph, and Pictory to take your videos on the next level and start earning real money from your content. But it's not just about earning money, it's about creating amazing content that your audience will love and engage with. With ChatGPT, you can easily generate high quality script and caption for your videos. With Murph, you can create professional sound voicing in any language. With Pictory.ai, you can create stunning visuals that will grab the attention of your viewers. And that's not all. There's more ways to earn passive income through videos. I'll give you bonus earning tips like how to sell dog beds using affiliate and dropshipping websites. It's a great way to earn even more passive income from your videos. So are you ready to take your videos to the next level and start earning real money from your content? Subscribe to my channel and tune in for more tips and tricks how to use AI. As a bonus, when you use my link to sign up for the premium service of these AI tools, you'll get an additional 20% discount to save even more money. So what are you waiting for? Let's get started and learn how to use AI tools to create amazing videos and earn money on YouTube. Take action today and see the results for yourself. Let's get started. As I mentioned initially, the AI tools we are going to use ChatGPT, Pictory, Murph for our YouTube videos. So let's talk about first what is ChatGPT. ChatGPT is a powerful AI-based language model that can help you to write scripts, caption, and subtitles for your videos. With the ChatGPT, you can easily generate high-quality content that's engaging and informative. And we are going to heavily use ChatGPT now. Before using it, let me give you a little example of Murph. Murph is an AI-based voiceover tool that can help you to create professional-sounding voiceovers for your videos. With Murph AI, you can create voiceover in any language and with any content, making it perfect for creating videos and for global audience. Let's talk about Pictory. This one is my favorite. Pictory is an AI-based tool that can help you to create beautiful, high-quality images and videos for your YouTube channel. With Pictory.ai, you can easily create stunning visuals that will grab the attention of your viewers and help you earn more views and subscribers on YouTube. So let's get started. But let's talk about how ChatGPT is going to help us. Currently we don't know what topic we need and what kind of videos we are going to make it and how to make it and what kind of a script we needed. So let's talk about, I have an idea about talking about, because Grumpy Dog is a good example for us that they are earning $16,000 by using their AI tools effectively for their websites. And I've seen the videos like which we can make, but if they can make, why not we can make it? We can make it also. Let's talk about, okay, can you suggest video topics based on how to care your dogs at home? It takes time, but of course, grooming your dog at home, how to properly brush your dog's teeth, do it yourself, doing nail trimming, creating a feeding schedule your dog, how to train your dog, basic commands, exercise and playtime ideas for your dog, creating comfortable sleeping area for your dog. So that looks nice. Creating comfortable sleeping in your dog, how to spot and prevent common health issues in your dog, understanding and addressing the dog behavior and problem, properly caring for a senior dog. So I also can ask, can you suggest the top ranking topics related, top trending topics related to dog care at home? So by this, we will have an idea if people are wanting something and the current videos are trending about it. So why not we should make according to that the video. Proper training and socialization of your dog, maintaining a healthy diet and exercising routine for your dog, understanding, addressing calming behavior of the potential and preventing comfort regular work check, understanding the understand. Okay, that's great. So I am like this one, maintain a healthy diet and exercise routine with your for your dog. Training your dog with the positive reinforcement technique, understanding and addressing specific needs of different kind of breed. Okay, different kind of breed, basic first and okay. So this is, I like it, basic first aid and emergency preparation for your dog. Okay, maintaining a healthy understanding the addressing common behavioral problems with dog. So let's talk about this one. Can you write a YouTube video script for 30 seconds? The video length will be 30 seconds. The video script should not more than 30 seconds. Script. Okay. So this is for 30 seconds. Like you can generate for 2 minutes video, like 10 minutes, 20 minutes. Okay, amazing. So we are going to talk about understand and have different physical behavior, talking about working breed before by understanding addressing specific needs of your breed. Ensure remember the breed. Okay, can you mention top 5 breeds in this video script to relate this topic accordingly. Oops, that's a problem here. Let me refresh the page again. Okay, I lose my history. Let me check if it is available. Okay, let's say. So can you suggest top 5 breeds that can you suggest top 5 breeds and incorporate in this video script? Okay, so now we do have a script right now. So like as I mentioned initially, we will use Pictory.ai for footages, for video footages, and Marv for voiceover. So let's say going to start our first video. Let's go to proceed. Okay, so what was the topic? The topic was which I choose it. This one. The 9 one is. This one is the video topic. Let me copy it. See, everything I'm just using my laptop, even don't want to think by myself. I just want to show how important and organized AI is these days, which you can effectively use. I'm just copy and just paste it here. That's it. Literally, that's it. Just putting in the proceed. So when we put the content or a script in this AI editor, it asks us to choose the template, like which type of typography you need and where it should be placed. So most of the time it's related to the typography. I'm thinking to use this one, I guess the basic one, like this one, or this commitment. Okay, this one. And 16:9, definitely it's for wide screen. So meanwhile, it's automatically, the AI automatically understand and relate some footages, images based on our content, which is relatable and almost 80-90% perfect. You just need to tweak it and to make it 100% perfect. Meanwhile, I would like to copy this AI script and try to use Marv to create AI tools. Okay, start with blank. and I will say dog breed topic. Let's create a project. Okay, initially I forgot to mention about it. These tools are you can use it for free trial, but when you try to upload videos on internet by using this tool, of course you need a license. So they have a license. They are charging $25 or $30 per month. But if in the end of the video I will share you the discount code for my audience, they can avail 20% discount by using my discount code, and to have and it will save your money. Okay, so let me put the content here. Okay, so when I put it here, so you can see like it's split script paragraph is split by script by sentence. Okay, so like that's fine. Like I would like to do by line. Okay, paste the script. Okay, now so this is, you can clearly see we have the voice. Can we show you? I show you. Let me this one. Can you play a little?
In this video, we're going to talk about understanding and addressing the specific needs of different dog breeds.
Amazing, good work. So there is also like in Murph, we can also change like there are plenty of voiceover artists here, like AI based artists here. So like these are voiceover AI based artists. So you can select and apply to your videos according to that. So let me generate the export file. Meanwhile, we have the video ready right now. Okay, so let me generate it. Export voice only, single file, MP3, mono. That's generating right now. So keep it generate, and we can download it later. Meanwhile, we can see. Okay, so like you can see, hello dogs lover. In this video, we have going to talk about understanding and addressing the specific needs of specific different dogs breed. So to start with this. Okay, so that's it. So like what's we need to do, the audio file is generated. Okay, download. I'm waiting it. Okay, and then I want to upload the audio file. There's also a background music we can do as well. Background music, my uploads. As now audio is uploaded, and we can have a test right now by applying on one scene. Just apply to the current scene. Okay, and we can see the preview. So how it looks like, the first preview.
Hello dog lovers. In this video, we're going to talk about understanding and addressing the specific needs of different dog breeds.
Really nice, great. So like now we know how we able to create videos by using AI. So let me download the video, generate it.
Hello dog lovers. In this video, we're going to talk about understanding and addressing the specific needs of different dog breeds. Different breeds have different physical and behavioral characteristics that require unique care and attention. For example, a small lapdog like a Shih Tzu may have different exercise needs than a large working breed like a German Shepherd. It's important to do your research and understand the specific needs of your breed before bringing a new dog home. For example, if you have a Labrador Retriever, you should be aware that they are known for their high energy levels and love for play, so they need a lot of exercise and mental stimulation. On the other hand, breeds like Bulldog and Pugs have breathing issues and are prone to overheating, so they need to be kept in a cool environment and shouldn't be over-exercised. Another important example is a Greyhound. They are known for their speed and endurance, but they also have a sensitive skin, so they need a specific type of grooming. By understanding and addressing the specific needs of your breed, you can ensure a happy and healthy life for your furry companion. Remember, every breed is unique and special in their own way. So, take the time to learn about your breed and give them the best care possible. Thanks for watching.
The future is here and it's all about AI. The industry is rapidly advancing and it's going to change the way we live and work. With the power of AI, we can create professional quality videos that will help and earn passive income on YouTube. Just like the Grumpy Dog YouTube channel, which generates an average $16,000 per month average using an AI tool. But it's not just about earning money, it's about creating amazing content that your audience will love and engage with. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.